Creations. This is my third attempt at this video because my mind kept going blank, having a lot of brain farts. So I thought I'd do you a video on how to make the following eyes without having to buy all the resin moulds, plus the resin and the paints, etc. So I thought I'd show you how it can be done without having to purchase expensive stuff. So you can get these crystal things, you can buy them on eBay, Amazon, a lot of crafts shops will supply them, and these are the end result. You can see they do move like they should do, so I'll show you how you can do this. So yeah, see, my mind's going blank again. Right, the crystals, you can print these out. Just type into Google irises or iris of eyes, anything like that. Click on the images and you'll get loads of different things like this that you can print off. So you just select the crystals that you want. Some of them, they do have a shine on them, and little cuts and things. It's just your preference what you want. Sometimes I like the mirror image effect on the creepy dolls that I make. So just select the ones that you want. You just cut these out. Do some red ones. Cut your eyes out of there. Cut out all around. I mean, you can get all sorts of eyes. You can get cat's eyes, goat's eyes, you know, all different coloured eyes. They're all there on Google for you to print out. It's just a really cheap but effective way of actually doing it. So you cut them out like that. Just get your glue, any glue, as long as it dries clear. So on the back of each, like so. I also put it on the actual paper as well, so I know that it will stick. Press them on. So you just let them dry. Oops. Once they're stuck on like that, let them dry. But what I also do is cut a blank white sheet so that you've actually got the whites behind as well. Stick them on. I mean, so I love this the red eyes, because it actually bleeds into the glue behind, so it looks like they're quite bloodshot as well. So there they are. So once they dry, you just cut those out, and you have your following eyes. So like I say, it's a really cheap and effective way of doing it. Or you can buy the eye moulds where you have to cast the whites of the eyes with resin, and then you actually paint these in, and then the clear resin over the top. But how long has that just taken? So there we go, really quick and effective way. And it dries quite quick, as you can see, it's going more clearer. And like I say, I like the bleeding in the back of the eyes as well, that makes it look more realistic. I think you'd probably only use these for the creepy dolls anyway, because if you used it on a normal looking doll, it'd end up looking creepy anyway. So there you go, use them for the zombies, vampires, anything that I make, should I say. Okay, so there we go. Thanks for watching, bye!